Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that some developers encounter while working with Hilt. The problem we're discussing revolves around the usage of add-inject constructor in a module class. Have you ever tried injecting a constructor in a module class, but wondered if it was the right approach? Well, let's tackle this issue together. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. Using an inject constructor in a module class may not throw an error, but it's not the recommended approach. Here's why. Firstly, add-inject is used to indicate that a class can be injected as a dependency, which is not typically necessary for a module class. Second, there's no need to inject anything into a module class since Hilt utilizes it internally with the existing annotations. Lastly, using add-inject in this context can lead to confusion for other developers trying to understand where the module class fits into the project structure. In summary, injecting constructors in a Hilt module class may seem to work fine, but it's not the best practice. Remember, module classes in Hilt are meant for Hilt's internal use and should be kept simple and straightforward. Avoid unnecessary complexities and stick to the conventional ways of defining your module classes. I hope this video helped clarify any confusion around this topic. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!